Imagine waking up and seeing that your Google Ads account has been suspended. There may be a very bad news for this, and someone who is running and someone who has operational cost for the staff, office, and you are getting your customers from Google, and you see your error, like you see an error like on your Google Ads account, that your Google Ads account has been suspended for circumventing system violations, and your suspended accounts cannot run any ads, and automated and human ads reviews are used to ensure Google Ads policies are to be followed. Now, your Google Ads account can be suspended for many of the reasons, including unacceptable business practice policy, counterfeit goods policies, circumventing system, misrepresentation, egregious violation, unpaid balance, suspicious payment, or any other reason. And we are one of the pioneer company. We have been helping clients from many years. We have been in this field for more than 15 years and helping clients with especially Google Ads disapprovals and Google Ads suspension. Also, we are a Google Ads partner company, and we help clients with Google Ads audit, setup, and management as a full-fledged Google Ads partner company. And which is why our existing client got this error, and I'm going to tell you in this video how we were able to restore this suspended account, which was suspended for circumventing system. As you can see, that account is suspended over here, and this is an email from the Google Ads we got. You can see around it, this is a 4 days old email which my client got, and I'm going to show you some data, and then I'm going to tell you how we were able to restore it. So you see around the account got your account violated the circumventing system policy error. I think I'm able to show you over here as well the account violated the circumventing system policy. Another is this is the same I have told you, and that your Google Ads has been suspended for violating the circumventing system policy. And another over here where the Google explains the circumventing system, and you can even see around over here that the circumventing system is one of the toughest policy which we get, engaging in practices that circumvent or interfere with Google advertising system or process, where the Google thinks that you have bypassed the Google Ads crawlers, or you are doing misrepresentation, or you are showing something different to Google and something different to user, or the customers are being deceived, or there is any malware or any errors on the website. So there are so many reasons why your account is suspended. But if your account is suspended for any reason, you have to solve all other reasons as well to get it compliant, which is very necessary and important. All the errors on Search Console need to be sorted around. Website speed, website trust issues, public perception of the website, no negative ratings or negative ratings of the website, or an image like you are scamming customers, or market reputation of even the market reputation. Google do not allow those websites which have market perception that they are scammy. Apart from this, the errors including any virus present in your website or landing page, ads do not reflect landing page, your website has unreliable claims. There are so many reasons, and the list goes on, and which is why once a new query like this comes through, we have a 160 plus checklist policy, 160 plus checklist which we use to ensure the website compliance. This includes your whole checkout procedure of the website. Checkout, like if you are checking your social media pages of your website, verification of your contact form, like even we have to go through the small to small details. Now this is the website which is I'm showing you this website, even looking around on all of the pages to see the compliance. If anything, you are deceiving the customers, if even the payment methods mentioned in the footer, and if they are not present while doing the checkout, this may also cause suspension. Newsletter working is not fine or not, the social media pages are working fine or not. So so many factors to look around before going for the review. So once a site is disapproved or suspended, then we have to look around on all of these factors for the compliance, which is why it's necessary and critical to get it resolved, all of these things. So what we do usually when a query like this is, we start simultaneously work on Search Console, website issues, So our developers start looking on those. Also, we look on our claims as well. The copywriter looks on the claims, if the present on the website all are fine or not. It's small details for the compliance, and which is why it takes time to get it approved. Now the client also passed the advertiser verification. Everything was done. Business legitimacy was also being checked. Business is legal and legitimate is also being checked. And this was a policy audit which the team did, and we suggested removing those pages. We suggested adding a disclaimer. The YouTube social media icon was not working. That need to be correct. Display phone number, address and footer section was need to be added. This was also being added in the part of the procedure. And we also created a Google Ads campaign strategy, and we discussed with the Google Ads regarding as well that how we were able to retain the customers, what is our business model. We explained the business model as a whole to the Google as well. Explained the business model whole to Google as well to get it approved. Google Ads team to get it approved. Now this may see what we did, how we are going to win, how we are going to retain the customer, what are kind of upselling we are doing. Everything, each and everything was being provided to the Google. I've shown you this one, and then after the detailed thorough review by the Google, we finally got this that your account is unsuspended. Now there is another I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to show you the live one as well. Your Google Ads account has been deactivated, and another one, your Google Ads account has been deactivated. Now I'm going to show you the live emails which you got. So you can see around this was the time when we got suspension, and after this your Google Ads account has been deactivated. Your account was temporarily suspended to verify your billing information and policy compliance. It's now deactivated, so your ads can start running again. Sorry. Ads could start running automatically if your billing information is up to date. If you don't want your account to serve ads or incur cost, either pause your campaign or cancel your account. And apart from this, I'm going to show you the live ads account review as well. So I'm going to refresh to show you that it is all real. So I just refresh in front of you. Now you can see there is no suspension error, and if I look around in the notification, you see your account is unsuspended. Your account has been deactivated and is able to run ads, and the account is running ads as well. And you may see around as well, if I look around for this month, and you may see around that we are getting as well. And today 8th March is we are getting the traffic as well. So you can see around over here, today we also got traffic as well. So you can see that this account is now running and approved. So yeah, this is a successful Google Ads account restoration case study where we fixed an account which was suspended for circumventing system. And if your Google Ads account has been suspended for Google Ads circumventing system, or if your Google Ads account has been suspended for unacceptable business practice policy, if your Google Ads account has been suspended for counterfeit goods and practices, if your Google Ads account is suspended for egregious violation, for suspicious payment, unpaid balance, or any other issue, me and my team will love to help you. In addition to suspension, we also help clients with Google Ads disapproval, Google business profile suspensions, local service ad suspension as a full-fledged Google Ads partner company. And our primary service is helping clients with Google Ads audit, setup, and management service. So if you are running Google Ads and need a professional help with the Google Ads, we can help you with that as well. Our company name is AARSWEBS.com, and the link of our website is mentioned in the description of this video. So if you want to hire me and my team for Google Ads restoration, or Google Ads management, or Google Ads disapproval, or Google business profile suspension, or Google business profile management, or local service ads, LSA ads suspension or management, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we would love to work with you. We are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company with more than 15 years of experience. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions in mind, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and we look forward to working with you. Take care and bye-bye.